Welcome. In this session, we will learn to create a directory. To create a directory, we have a command mkdir. So, mkdir space directory name, any directory that you want to create. Here we are creating a virtumental directory in that directory. So, we have created a directory. To list, we'll do the ls command. So, here the directory has been created. ls-l will show the long list output, and here this is the virtumental directory, and starting at the D it means that this is a directory. We can also create a directory in a different path, like we can mention the complete path as well while creating a directory. So mkdir space slash tmp slash test. This will create a directory under the slash tame directory. So we will list ls-l slash tmp slash. So here the one more directory get created named test. Sometimes we also have the requirement to create a directory on a specific path, but the parent directories were not present. It means that if you want to create a directory, the test3 directory under the virtumentor slash test1. But in this case, test1 is not present. We will go to the directory and we'll see that cd virtumentor. Here the test1 directory is not present and test3 directory is also not present. So in this case, what we have to do? We have to create a directory, parent directory first and then the child directory. To create the same, mkdir hyphen p. Hyphen p stands for create a parent directory if not present. So we have the virtumentor directory slash test1. This test1 is not there, and in this test1 we have to create a test3 directory. So first of all, it will check the parent is present or not, and then it will create a parent directory test1, and then it's create a child directory test3. So we'll check that. Here the test1 directories get created, and in this test1 directory test3 directory get created. This is the way we create a directory with the name. We can also create a directory with giving the absolute path, and we can create a directory with the parents. Thank you.